How to open Nationwide account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can open Nationwide account online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to open Nationwide account online, remember that I'm talking about creating a new bank account, not online banking, but the bank account itself. Without going to the bank, you can fill in the form online. So for this, go to nationwide.co.uk and then you're gonna land on this page where you can tap the menu option from the top right hand corner, and here you'll find different types of accounts. So I'm sure most of you definitely want to actually create a current account, so you can go to current account and then you can select the type of current account that you want. You can select compare everyday accounts here, so I'll just tap on that option depending upon whatever account you want to create. So once then you can see Flex Plus, Flex Direct, Flex account and so on. Depending upon whatever else you prefer, you can just go ahead and then tap on this option here and then just go ahead and then tap on the apply now option from the bottom of the screen. Once you tap on the check current account eligibility, you should be able to go ahead and then fill in the other details such as the legal details, and from there on you can proceed to opening up a bank account. And this way you should be able to open Nationwide account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.